Hey there, so we are going to be doing a bouncing ball animation this week. Let's take a look at what that entails. So there are some basics behind bouncing ball action, and what that means is that as a ball is bouncing, it's gonna squash at the bottom and it's going to stretch as it's coming up and turn back into a circle and then stretch as it's coming down and squash again. So these are some things I want you to look for in this next video. We are going to create a very simple bouncing ball animation. Using Blender and the provided Rubric, I will create and render a 240 frame colorful 3D animation of a bouncing ball, complete with a squash when it hits the ground, with 100% accuracy on my first try. If I do not earn full credit, I will use the feedback in the gradebook to complete the objectives in the rubric and resubmit for full credit. And here's what the rubric looks like. You'll get 10 points for modeling your colorful ball, floor, and wall scene, 10 points for creating a 240 frame bouncing ball animation, 5 points for setting up your camera view, 5 points for rendering the image and pasting that to Google Slides, 5 points for rendering your animation, which is different than rendering an image. So the animation means that you're going to be rendering all of those frames together to make an MP4. 5 points. You'll name your animation and your Blender file with your first and last name at the beginning. And 5 points, submit the MP4 animation to the week 1 Dropbox as well as your Blender file. So I'm excited to get started. Let's do this.